How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is you need to simply list your products on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to list your products, then you need to go with the newsfeed and you need to click on the marketplace option. So always list your products so that users can see them on the marketplace, newsfeed, and other relevant places on Facebook. The marketplace product list needs to follow the instructions listed on the community standards. So the first thing you need to do is open up your newsfeed and then click on the marketplace. And after that, click on create a new listing from the menu under marketplace, which is right here, create a new listing. And after that, select the product you want to list from the three options provided, that is item for sale, vehicle for sale, or property for sale or rent. So for the sake of this example, we'll use the item for sale option. Once you've chosen, you need to go on the next page, select your product category, fill in what you want to sell, set the price and location, and provide a product description. You can also add up to 10 product images. And after that, click next to proceed. Click on publish to publish the listing in the marketplace. Remember that you have the option of listing your product in more than one place. And that's it. Your products are now listed on Facebook Marketplace and it's time to sell them. You can access your store through the top shop tab on your Facebook business page. So that's how you can start selling on your Facebook Marketplace as a business. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.